Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the FAB mobile app using our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and simply log in using a user ID and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, simply tap the three straight line at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on settings. Now inside the settings menu, find and tap on security or sign in settings. Now look for the option called biometric login, face ID or touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using face ID, touch ID or your phone's passcode. This step helps keep your account secure. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully enabled. From now on, whenever you open the FAB Bank app, you can simply look at your phone and use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password every time. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the FAB Bank app using our phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.